Hi guys, and welcome to the Android Tutorial YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you a picture-in-picture mode, and I just did a video on split screen. So as you can see, split screen is this. That is something you could see in another video. I'm gonna link it in this video description below. But picture-in-picture is a little bit different. So for example, I'm going to be watching Netflix, and let's say I am watching this specific chapter here. There you go. If I minimize it, then it will come here in picture-in-picture. I can make it back up, or I can minimize it once again. As you can see, it started in picture-in-picture mode. So I'm able to pause it, and I'm in fact gonna pause it due to copyrights, but you're able to move it all the way. So you're able to do it up and down and left and right and to the center. Whatever you want. So basically this gives us the chance of using other applications on top. So, and you are still able to continue. So you could see here, you're able to go all the way to the top and continue watching the series, or you're able to just dismiss it or pause it. Another application that uses this is Google Maps. So as you could see here, I'm going to request it to go somewhere. Here, wherever. And I'm gonna ask you to drive and start. So it's saying that it's there, but if I minimize it, then it'll start. Let's see. It'll start. And you're able to do the same thing. Obviously, it won't start until I start driving, and I'm not gonna drive, but this gives us a quick picture of what I'm seeing, and this is quite great. I am able to multitask and do a lot of stuff, as you can see, or open, I don't know, slides, and I'm still able to work on it. So this is picture-in-picture, and this is something I really like and I use a lot. It has to be enabled by the developer, so the app developer has to write some code in order to make it work. But it's coming up in more and more devices, and this is something that came up in Android 8.0. So all devices running 8.0 and higher will have this. This is a great implementation due to the fact that it's now natively on Android, and all manufacturers regarding of if there's big or small are going to be able to have this implementation. So guys, I suggest you watching the other video of split screen in order to get yourself informed of what it is and how to make better use of it. But for now, this would be it. If you have any questions or comments, leave it in the comment section below. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel, as that helps us a lot. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.